Namaste guys, in this video we are going to make this mechanism in Solidworks. So for the sake of simplicity, I am going to make this mechanism in assembly mode. Okay, so this is my assembly mode. So what I will do, I will click on insert components, click on new part, select the front plane, press Ctrl plus 8 for normal skin to the view. First thing that I will do, I will draw some lines because the 90-degree transmission. Let's see how to approach this. Just you know that I never made this mechanism, so I'm making this mechanism first time. I just saw on Pinterest this mechanism and trying to make my own without dimensions knowledge. So this is what I achieved right now. Now I have to create two holes like things, basically in which my rod can be placed. Okay, so how what I can do? Uh, I will choose parallelogram. I think this is the best one for me. Escape. So select this line by pressing Ctrl, select this line, make it parallel. Okay, that's seems fine. Now what I have to do is go to the dimension, select this and this line, make the angle 90 degree. Let's check this is 90 degree, yes, as well. Now what I have to do is uh, go to smart dimensions, select this line, give it a distance as per your requirement. Um, I think uh, 10 is fine, and make sure that they are at 0 0 position, because later onwards if they are not at 0 0 we will face issues. Select this and this and give it a distance, uh, 70 mm, and this distance is 30 mm. Escape, select this line and this line, make it parallel as well. Now go to the features, click on revolve boss base, select this line as a point basically where we want to revolve out it. uh, Before I do, I think that this distance need to be increased. The distance is quite small, so I will enter the value of 120 and let's make it 5 mm. Go to the revolve, select this line, and the thickness is quite big. Let's reduce the thickness of it. How much it is? Let's make it 5 mm as well. Go to the features, revolve boss base, select this line, click OK. So this is one I got. Now what I will do, go here, click on mirror pattern. Mirror about what? So I will go in my part, I will select the right plane and I will select the niches that I want to be patterned. Click OK. As I expected, this issue will be there. So click on here, right click, click on clear selection. Faces to be mirror. Just right click on it and delete. Now click on where's the mirror command. You can see bodies to mirror is option is there, but when I try to use when I try to editing it, this option was not there. So that is the reason I deleted mirror. You need to know what kind of mistake you will face, else you will face a lot of issues. Okay, fail to merge. So here's the thing, why this issue is arising. Okay, we are still seeing this issue. So why? The thing is, we have to click on the merge solid. So uncheck the merge solids, click OK, and it's done. So basically it's a part, not sub-assembly, so it assume that everything is merging with each other. Okay, now what I will do, click on the front plane, click on sketch. Now I have to make something called bridge like structure to combine this. So let's see what I will do. Select this line, make it construction, click on mirror entities. Okay, there is an issue here. You see this is exactly attached exactly at the surface of it, and it is a circle. So when I will extrude it, we will get unwanted result. So press Ctrl plus 8. So this line. Now we will get some desired result. So I want to mirror this, and about this line. Click OK, press Ctrl plus 8. You see they are not joining. So what I can do, go here, click on extend entities, select this, and it automatically extends. Okay. This might be some new feature that most of the beginner doesn't know. Only beginners, professional one knows, I guess. Mid plane, 5 mm. Yep, that's fine. Click OK. Now select this face, click on sketch. Sorry for the unwanted noise. I can't do anything about that. Escape. Go to the features, extrude boss base. So uh, click on reverse direction. Click on, okay, there is no direction 2 here. So click on 2 direction. Okay, direction 2 is not arrow on. One direction. Why there is no second direction? Okay, it's mid plane. So click on blind. Now there is a direction 2. Now what I can do? Click, check on direction 2. Blind. Increase it. Not that much. 10 mm is fine. Click OK. So this is the first part that we have made. Exit that assembly component mode. Select this. Press Ctrl plus 8. So I have to make something that will be placed here, that basically transfer my power. So click on here. Click on new part. Select the front plane. Sorry for the maintenance one. 5, 80. Let's say 100. 100 is fine. Revolve pose base. Click OK. Select this face. Click on sketch. 20 mm. 10 mm from here. 10 mm. 5 mm from here. Extrude. Click OK. Select this face. Click on sketch. Center line. 5 mm. Mirror about this line. So clear section. Select these lines. Mirror about this line. Click OK. Features. Extrude. Okay, extrude. We will extrude up to, let's increase the length to 30 mm. Click OK. Now I will use fillet. Quite big. 5 mm. Click OK. Select this face. Click on sketch. I need to draw a circle here. So select the top one and this one. Distance 5, and this is 5 as well. And the distance from here is 5 as well. And features extrude cut through all. click OK. So exit the assembly component mode right now. Go to the mates, select this face and this face. Click OK. Before I move further, right click on this part and make sure it is fixed so that this part cannot be moved. Now move it downwards. Now select this part by pressing Ctrl, right click on your mouse and drag it to your mouse. Okay, in that way you can duplicate it. So click on here, select this face, and you see that it's not the direction that I want. So click on here, reverse the direction. Click OK and move it downwards. Click OK. Now I have to make two more parts. I guess after that we are done. So click on here, click on new part, select the front plane, press Ctrl plus 8. So I will go here. Sorry. Its diameter is 5 mm. Thicker one is 10 mm. Features. Select this face, this face, this face. Mid plane 5 mm. Click OK. Select this face. Click on sketch. Draw a circle of 5 mm here. Extrude it 8 mm. Click on blind. Click OK. Exit the assembly component mode. Select this face. Press Ctrl plus 8. So what I'm going to do is go to the mates. Clear selection. Select this face and this face. Sorry. Clear selection. Select this and this face. Make it concentric. Click OK. It is quite small, but I will find a way. So for that, meanwhile, what we can do is go to the advanced mates, click on width, select this face and this face, select this face and this face. Click OK. Similarly, by pressing Ctrl, right click on mouse, drag this, apply the same steps here. Concentric, go to the advanced width, click OK. Select this face, press Ctrl plus 8. Now what I'm going to make something called tamp mates. So select this face. The purpose of this tamp mate is just to align these at a correct place. That's all. Click OK. Move it downwards. Make sure that you also give them the name, else we will face issues later onwards. So double click on this tamp because I'm going to delete them later onwards. That is the reason it's temporary. Okay. So that is what is the meaning of temp. Go to the mates. Select this face. Select the right plane. Make it parallel. Click OK. Select this face. Select the right plane. Uh, Make it parallel as well. Select this face. Press Ctrl plus 8. Move it downwards. Okay, for some reason it is not downwards. Okay, I accidentally select coincident. What I want is the parallel. So I need go here, click on parallel, click on OK. Now if I want, I can move downwards. Okay. Now I need some more things to do. So go to the mates. So what I will do, select this face, select the right plane, but this time I will choose distance. So what will be the distance I will entering? So it will be 20 mm. 15 mm is better, I guess. Let's try 15 mm. Okay. Same goes for here. Select this face, select the right plane, distance, enter the value of 15 mm, click OK. Select this face, press Ctrl plus 8. Now I need to make a part here that basically have to rotate. So let's see how to approach this. So click on here, click on new part, select the front plane, escape, 30, 30, and 40, 0. Go to the features, extrude, uh, make it 3 mm. I think this will be not the right way to approach this. Let's make it smaller to 35 mm. Okay, 35 is quite small, 38. Uh, Let me see what I can do. I need to put some clearance here. So select this dimension and delete. Go to smart dimension, select this distance and enter the value of 2 mm and move it downwards. So we can make 2, 3. Go to smart dimensions. As you can see, it is not picking this line because of no external reference is checked on. So what I can do, just watch and see. Okay, and let's give the thickness to 3 mm, 3 mm here as well. Okay, and forget about this one. Go to smart dimensions, 3 mm. Let's make it 4 mm. I have a better idea to resolve this issue. 4 mm, 4 mm, and instead of 30, make it 25. 4 mm. Okay, so up to this point, I think nobody have any kind of issues. Now, as you can see, this is interfering. So I will tell you, I will show you just in a minute how will I resolve this issue. Okay, 25 mm. And one more thing that you notice that this length is not equal to this length, so my mechanism will not work. So I have a one more issue to resolve. So select this line, click on delete. I need to make sure that this is also similar length, 25 mm. Okay, make it 30 mm and 30 mm here as well. and this length is 26 mm. 26 mm here. Now that will be work. So what I can do, go to the extrude mid plane, 10 mm. Select this face, press Ctrl plus 8. Uh, Go to the sketch, click on sketch. We need to draw a circle here. Extrude cut. Uh, just draw it to one more circle here as well. Uh, so in one command, we will got what we want instead of using through all both. Click OK. So in one command, we got these two extrude cut. Exit the sketch mode. Now let's see how we'll approach this problem. So go to the mates. Select this face and this face. Make the distance 1 mm. Click OK. Select this face and this face. Make it concentric. Similarly, select this face and this. Sorry. I accidentally select this face and this face. Click on concentric. Now what I have to do is I have to remember the parallel mates or temp mates. So select this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Right click on it and click on suppress, because these are temporary mates. Their only purpose is just to align them. So if I try to rotate it, okay, we are getting some issues. So any guess how to resolve it? So let's see what I can do to resolve it. Go to the mates, select this face and this face. Make a distance 1 mm. Click on reverse. Okay, cancel it. Select this face, just coincide with it. Click OK. Select this face and just try to rotate it. Okay, one more issue is that you see that they are moving quite far and that distance. So basically that I don't want. So I need to place them correctly. So that they don't move from that place. So what I can do for that, go to the mates, select this face and coincide with the right plane. Click OK. Select a mate coincident type. Click OK. Okay. Just right click on it and click on suppress for a second. I'm trying something. Select this face and select the right plane. Click OK. So if I try to rotate it, I am getting the desired animation as I want. Now, but these things are small, so let's see how to resolve it. So go to the evaluate, measure, select this face and this face. So the total distance is 10 mm. Got it. So select this, click on assembly, click on edit components. Just to know that I am showing all these mistakes just so that you will learn from it. Okay, so don't say hey man, don't show mistakes. Mistakes are the best part. If you are watching without mistakes, I don't know what are you learning. It's just wasting of time. I personally like to watch those videos in which person shows mistakes so that I don't do that mistakes. Okay, so you can see I'm getting good result right now. Now what I will do, let's visit some color. So right click on it, material, body, yellow is fine. Click OK. and this one is blue body. Okay, and this one is black, I guess. Let's make it full black. One more thing that I forgot to add the pins, so let's make the pin as well. So click on here, click on new part, select the front plane, press Ctrl plus 8. So draw a circle, uh, 10 mm, not 10 mm, it's 5 mm, and extrude up to I think this one is total length is 10, 20, 20 is 20. Okay, exit the sketch, adjust component mode, move this pin, go to the mate, select this face and this face, click OK, select this face and this face, click OK. OK, it's small, so what I can do, select this part, edit components, right click, edit feature. No, it's totally fine, I guess. Yeah, as you can see, length is okay. I don't need to increase the length. I did go to add. Now by pressing Control and click on mouse, drag it. Click OK. Let's give it some color so that we can, identify what is that thing. I think red is fine. Okay. Select this face, press Control plus 8. Go to the motion study. Click on motor, select this face. Uh, Click on distance. Let's enter the value of 360 into 5 or 4. Click OK. Increase the FPS to 30 because 8 is quite low, and click on calculate. It is doing the animation, so calculation that is really slow. Now it's done. If I click on play, it is quite good looking right now. Let's right click on orientation, click on disable, click on play again. So this is how it looks like. I think that looks great. So that's for all. If you have any kind of doubts and queries, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.